Good morning, dear students. Today in Journal with GST, we will learn illustration 3. So let's see. Our first transaction is purchase goods for rupees 5 lakh from Chauhan Traders at the rate of 20% trade discount. Okay. So very simple journal entry will come. That is purchases account debit, and we have to treat CGST 9% and SGST 9%. So input CGST account will be debited and input SGST account will be debited, and you can see this is our credit purchases of goods. So we will credit Chauhan Traders to Chauhan Traders. A very simple narration will come, that is goods purchased from Chauhan Traders. Now see how the amounts will come. Rupees 5 lakh and 20% trade discount. So 5 lakh into 20% will be 1 lakh. So value of purchase will come 4 lakh. And on 4 lakh rupees we will calculate taxes, 9% CGST and 9% SGST. So 9% on 4 lakh will be 36,000 each. So like this, 4 lakh 72,000 rupees will come. Okay. Now see next transaction. Sold goods to Pushkar for rupees 3 lakh 20,000. So this is our credit sale of goods. We are selling goods to Pushkar. A very simple journal entry will come. That is Pushkar debit to sales account, and you know that now we have to collect output CGST as well as output SGST. So output CGST and output SGST will also be credited to output CGST account and to output SGST account. Okay. So this time you can see selling price is 3,20,000. So 3,20,000 will come here in sales. And now we have to calculate 9% CGST and 9% SGST. On 3,20,000 rupees, 9% will come 28,800 rupees. 28,800. And like this, total will come 0, 0, 8, 8, 16, 17. 3,77,600. Okay. Now see next transaction. Received from Pushkar a check for rupees 2 lakh on account, and check is sent to bank. So simply we are receiving a check from Pushkar and we are depositing this check into the bank. So bank balance will increase. That is why bank account will be debited. And we are receiving this check from Pushkar. So to Pushkar, because Pushkar is giver of this check. And always remember one thing, at the time of receiving payment and at the time of making payment, there will be no treatment of input CGST as well as output CGST and SGST. Okay. So simply we are receiving check from Pushkar rupees 2 lakh. So bank account debit to Pushkar rupees 2 lakh will come. Now see next transaction, purchase furniture for 50,000 and payment made by check. So this time we are buying furniture. Furniture will be debited because furniture is our real account. What comes in will be debited. Furniture account debit. And now we have to give taxes also. So input CGST account will be debited and input SGST account will be debited, and this time we are giving check. Okay. So to bank account. You can see value of furniture is sorry. Value of furniture is 50,000 and taxes are 9% CGST and 9% SGST. So 9 5s are 4500 and 4500 59,000. Okay. Now see few more transactions. Next one is advertisement charges of rupees 20,000 paid by check. See, this is our expense, and you know all expenses must be debited. So advertisement charges account will be debit, and again we have to pay input CGST as well as input SGST. So input CGST account will be debited and input SGST account will be debited, and this is our payment by check. So giver is bank to bank account. Simple narration will come, the advertisement charges paid. Amount of advertisement charges is 20,000, and we will calculate 9% CGST as well as 9% SGST. So that will come 1800 each. $23,600. Next is sold goods for rupees 1 lakh and received check for the same. Check is sent to bank. So this is our cash sale. A check is already deposited into bank. So bank account will be debited to sales account and to output CGST account and to output SGST account. Goods sold for cash. You can see selling price is 1 lakh, and we will calculate 9% taxes, that will be 9,000 each. So like this total amount will be 1 lakh 18,000. Okay. Now see next, commission of rupees 10,000 received in cash. So this is your income. What comes in will be debited, that is why cash account will be debited, and to commission account, this is our income, and again we have to credit output CGST and to output SGST account. Okay, and how much commission we have received? 10,000. On 10,000 rupees, 9% taxes, that will be 900 each. So it will be 11,800. Now listen students, we will learn set off of this question. So you can see in this question input CGST is 42,300 and input SGST is also 42,300, but output CGST is collected 38,700 and 38,700. So in this question you can see output means collected tax is less as compared to tax whatever we have paid. So in this case, whatever tax we have collected, only that much tax will be adjusted. So a very simple journal entry will come, that is output CGST account debit, that is 38,700 because we have collected only 38,700. Output SGST account will be debit 38,700, and input CGST was 42,300, but we have collected only 38,700. So up to 38,700 will be adjusted first, and balance will be adjusted in next month. So input CGST account will be credited by 38,700 and input SGST account will also be credited by 38,700. Okay. Balance input will be adjusted next month. Okay. Thank you.